Hey, my name's Helena Vestergaard and I'm the 2013 Tissot Australian MotoGP Ambassador. And as things are now starting to heat up before the big race up at Phillip Island, I thought it would be the perfect time for me to come out here to Hart and get my motorbike licence. So wish me luck, guys. Well guys, I got my licence, so I can't wait to see you down at Phillip Island from the 18th to the 20th of October for the 2013 Tissot Australian MotoGP.